What an elimination!
It was really nice.
Do you agree? Yeah. For me, one of the best. What do you think about it, Bigben?
From everything we've seen so far, yeah, clearly one of the best, if not the best. But yeah, just the ending was a bit bâclé, hein?
It was a bit, yeah.
L- The let's not count the last 10 seconds in his elimination. It doesn't count. It was not there. We didn't see them. We didn't
Yeah,
hear them.
yeah, I agree. But
But
maybe we can start with the yeah improvement like points just for this one because
I don't have a lot of things to say.
yeah,
Just some sounds, needs to be a little bit cleaned.
yeah,
But and of course the last 10 seconds maybe something better next time because it was really bad.
yeah. I don't know if it was on purpose or not. Yeah, I wrote like be careful with the ending. It's a funny ending, but it brings the energy down, like from dancing
Yeah,
vibes to a
but
funny trolling uh, mood.
I feel I feel like he wanted to throw like 2 seconds
Yeah,
just to finish the round, but then it was 10 seconds,
yeah,
and
because of time.
he was just caught in this. Like, what would I do now? Okay, I will continue trolling, but yeah, it was really really bad. But beside this, for me, it doesn't exist. That these last 10 seconds are out of the the elimination.
Yeah,
The entire elimination is crazy. Like he's beatboxing like I've never heard someone beatbox.
true.
The music style he's doing, and the way the comfort he has in it is really crazy. Like I remember Footbox told me about it before I saw the video. He told me about it, and I was like, oh, okay. I was a bit surprised that uh, he made so many compliments of
Of his
Patbox,
style.
because the
Yeah,
last time I've I heard Patbox before Footbox told me was maybe a year before, 2 years from now, and it was he was good, but like standard, average good. And Footbox told me he was like, wow, crazy, really crazy. You will do wow, you will do this.
yeah,
And yeah, when I first listened to the video, I was like, wow, he's really good. Then I've seen him in Orléans also, and he did the same kind of beat, and I was like, it sounds good
so
on stage,
crazy.
it sounds
Yeah,
good on video. It's really really nice, and I'm really happy that some beatboxers are finding new stuff like this, because
yeah,
a lot of beatboxers sounds the same now, and it was always like this. It's not like this generation of beatboxer, but I mean, it's just that what they sound like is different every 5 years,
true.
but each generation sounds the same, and I'm really happy that someone of this generation sounds exactly like nobody.
Mm,
Nobody sounds like him,
yeah,
and he sounds like nobody from the entire beatbox history, and
true.
that's really crazy.
Yeah,
Just with this, he gains so many points in originality.
yeah, I agree totally on what you say because like yeah, it's very rare to have like some beatboxers standing out of the other beatboxers with such a
Yeah,
unique style, and
yeah,
yeah, what's very good with him is like he knows what he likes, he knows what he's doing, like because it's his culture, it's his native, I would say, like music influences. So it's so original from Ivory Coast, I guess. And originality is the criteria to earn points, as you said.
yeah.
Yeah, maybe you can remind us what you think
I,
about originality.
I think it's the easiest point that I mean, it's the easiest criteria that you can improve to have more points, because everyone is good now at beatboxing. Everyone is good technically. Everyone makes good music. Everyone sounds good. Everyone sounds powerful. Everyone sounds amazing on stage now.
Yeah,
Everyone has a good stage presence. So what's left? What's left to improve? Originality and creativity. That's the only two things that you can improve, because maybe not on a smaller level, but if you speak about the best level of beatboxing competition, like the elite elite competitions, thinking about World Championship and GBB, for example,
Yeah.
um, everyone has exactly the same music um, musical
Range
knowledge, I would say,
ranges. Yes.
and the same technical the same technical level. The skill gap is not really really big between the first place and the fifth place, for example.
Yeah.
It becomes big between the 10th and the 20, for example, but when you're at the very top, the everyone can cancel their self with their level. So the guys who are the most original will win, because it's the only thing that can be measured now.
Hmm.
Like everyone's powerful, everyone's technical, everyone is everything. So some people are less original than others, and we can hear this.
Yeah. Yeah. It's
The,
definitely the criteria where someone will rank
yeah,
so much points with that. Uh,
yeah, and
just on
the
the
the best
fact.
example, the best example of this is FootboxG. He won the World Championship, and I think a fair part of why he won was the way he's beatboxing. Like nobody
Hmm.
beatbox like him,
Yeah.
and I'm not speaking about the skill cap he has. I'm really speaking about how he creates sounds, how he creates his music, his structure, the way he's beatboxing, like the kind of music he's doing and stuff like this. Everything is different from everyone.
Hmm.
Everything he does is different from everyone. So when he's beatboxing, it will be something you didn't hear before, or unless you heard him before. But i-
Yeah. It's like
if you take 100 beatboxer and you make someone listen to them, he will say, okay, this one is different.
yeah. Do you think it's because like they develop like their own approach, or just because they never copied maybe other beatboxers? Do you know? Do you have like some clues about why is it like this?
Uh, I think it's because they just want to do music. They don't want to do something. I'm not speaking about Patbox because I've never speak about this with him, but I've speak a lot with Footbox about this, and he wants to make music, and the music he likes sounds like what he's doing,
Hmm.
and that's it. If you like music, I mean, some people are doing beatbox only for competition, and that's good. Then at this moment, you have to know all the techniques of everyone, all the grooves, all the music genre and stuff like this.
Yeah.
But some people are just doing music, so they create things that they want to do. And something that Footbox really, really, really hate is that you say to him, "Oh, you sound like blah blah blah," and it's unbearable for him. So he changed his whole beatbox just for this.
All
So people
right.
stop saying you sound like him, or you sound like that, or you sound like this.
Yeah, it's very interesting. That's what you're saying. Like he wants to make music and not beatbox as a sole objective, I would say. Um,
Yeah, it's more about music than competition, I would say,
yeah,
because it's still beatboxing, but
yeah, sure, sure. That's why I wanted to precise. Like, yeah,
yeah,
he's thinking his beatbox as a whole way of doing music and not only
yeah,
an instrument. That's what I wanted to say. So yeah,
yeah, exactly.
all right, yeah, very cool. And yeah, just to go back to Padbox, I think the his styles, what he chooses, his musical genres choices, are very good to control the crowd and to make them dance. Um,
Yeah,
so yeah, that's a very good
and
point for him.
and he has a good contact with crowd also.
Yeah.
Just the way he speaks to people, and even if it's not a lot, it's enough, and he doesn't need more. And I feel like he understands very well when to speak and when to not speak, and it's really nice.
Yeah, yeah, very chill character, and yeah, making everybody dance. So very nice from him. Yeah. I think that's it for Patbox. Do you have like something else to add? Just maybe a precision.
Very nice.
Yeah, very nice. And we started with the funny trolling, and so that's good. Just be careful. I would say like just be careful of what you are trying to transmit to people, like the emotions you want to transmit, because you go from like dancing vibe energy to funny trolling energy. So that's not incompatible, I would say, but that's two different emotions. So be careful on what you choose.
Yeah, exactly. Everything needs balance, and here I think his mistake was just he thought the chrono was over, so he did this, but it was not over. It was pretty long time.
All right.
But yeah.
Do you think it can make you like not pass a battle when it's very tough competition?
Oh, okay. It depends. It depends. If he's fighting for the 8th position against someone who did exactly the same, let's say, very original, very technical, good sound, powerful, and stuff like this, maybe it can count.
Yeah.
It depends. It depends how tight the competition is. But here, I think maybe it can make him go from first place to second place, but not even sure.
Yeah, true. Okay. Very nice. So that was the elimination round analysis of Patbox. Let us know in the comments if you agree with us or not. And see you for next video. Do you want to make serious progress in beatbox? Click on the link in the description below and join our beatbox school to level up faster than ever.